Hey YouTube, kind of going through a rough time right now. That mile-wide tornado that was in Tuscaloosa hit my house. Well, we only got the edge of it, but we got hit. I'm at my grandmother's house because, our house isn't safe. Even though it's not really that damaged, it's got a 70-foot tree, like, split it down the middle. But it's not like, the house isn't in half, it's got the tree on top of it, and it kind of broke, and on the back porch it's got like 15 feet left on it, and stuff like that. But, sorry, I'm checking my Facebook because things are happening. But, yeah, my sister got a branch through her window, and I'm surprised we didn't get hit very bad, but behind my house there's like woods, or there was woods. Like, you could look back there and you couldn't see the neighborhood behind it, and now you can. All the trees are down. There's nothing's good come of it. And 1 block from us, there's nothing but just all the houses are gone. They're down to their foundations. There's nothing. My cousin, my god sister's house, her old house, is gone. The only thing that's standing is one wall. That's it. And it's her dad's back wall, and it's got part of his closet, and all of his clothes are still there. And it's just a really bad time. All the power lines are down. There's a gas leak over on Fan Road or whatever. And yeah, hang on. Too much crap going on right now. Give me a second. Sorry. Hurry up, you're freezing up. Crap, my phone's about to die too. We'll turn that off. But yeah, we've been without power. The power lines were 5 feet off of our driveway, so we couldn't get out. And cops are blocking, cops and National Guard and all of these people are blocking off entrances, every single entrance to Pleasant Grove, to where nobody can get in. And if you leave in a car, like if you leave in a vehicle, whatever, you can't come back. If you come back, you have to show them like a license, with a Pleasant Grove address on it. But I don't think they're really gonna do that anymore. But that was like today or whatever. Shut up! I'm not dealing with you right now. And so all this is just devastating. We had to walk 7 freaking miles over to Dolomite, which is some city, I don't know. And we had to go to meet our grandfather because he was bringing us supplies. And so we went all the way up there. He had a freaking grocery cart that made us look like we were hobos. It's just horrible. Pretty much every house is gone. There's been at least, that I know of, there's been at least 32 deaths in Pleasant Grove alone. And it's just really, really devastating and sad and scary. And if you've never been in the middle of a tornado or whatever, you don't want to. We went downstairs, and me, my mom, and my sister, and we were down there for like 8 minutes until my stepdad came downstairs because they said to, because the tornado was like right over Hueytown or whatever. So he comes running down there. We get in our spot, and we're all joking about it. And then it gets quiet. It gets like deathly quiet. And then he's like, "No, y'all need to move because there's a window like there was a window like right in front of us in our basement, like it was leading to the backyard or whatever." So he told us to move. So we did. We went over in front of my mom's car and stepdad's jam room that he built, and it was only there for maybe 1 minute. It got even quieter, and then it was all bright. The sun was shining, and then it was all bright, and then it went quiet, and then like 2 seconds after it went quiet, it went, and it just, it got really loud, like a freight train going through your backyard, through our backyard. It just got really bad. Wait, where do you live again? I don't even know what's going on in that place's thing. But yeah, I just don't know what to do. It's just been hell. Hell. I've got pictures of it, all the damage, but I'm not really like showing it right now. And my mom and my stepdad are still up at the house trying to fix it. And quit messaging me. Stop messaging me. It's, these are one of those things that you think, because the reason why we were joking about it was because, I mean, we've been living in Pleasant Grove for 9 years. Every time that there's been a natural disaster or anything, it's either jumped over us, completely missed us, or died down and stopped before it even got to us. So we were all joking around because we didn't think it was going to happen, but sure enough it did. And now I'm going to have to stay in Pleasant, or stay out here in Leeds until after everything's fixed up at Pleasant Grove, because I'm not letting anybody in until everything's fixed, like in the entire city, the entire town, whatever. So, just wanted to tell y'all that, and if you have anything, if you want to try and help, find me on Facebook, anything, just leave a comment or anything, leave it down there, whatever. But I don't know what to do. And I already have enough mental problems. I gotta deal with this shit. So, whatever. I just wanted to tell y'all that. So, I love you. If you're watching this, I don't care who you are. I love you. But I'm just gonna go. Peace.